Hello, and thanks for visiting my YouTube channel. Let me tell you what my channel is all about and a little about myself, and why you should even care to watch my videos. My name's Daniel, and I've been in the IT industry since 1997, and I've been experimenting with computers since 1984, just a little after the Commodore 64 computer came out. I worked with a few companies, gaining a wide range of experience before finally starting my own company, Twin Bytes, in 2004, which has since won me multiple awards for #1 computer repair in Markham. I've written a book in 2009 called Technology, which has then gotten me onto television and radio as a guest speaker a few times. You can actually request a free copy of the ebook. I'll provide a link in the description box below down there. You can also grab a physical copy of the book as well if you want to, which I'm giving away for free. You just pay for the shipping. Anyway, what kind of videos do I make here? I'll tell you what I don't do is MacGyver type videos where I'll try and manufacture something that you could easily buy in the store at a reasonable price. Also, I don't do videos where I'm just playing music in the background and you see a little notepad typing in text, which you've probably seen. Like, I have multiple websites that do that. I'll actually walk you through what it is that we're doing, and that's a lot more efficient. You're going to learn a lot more, and it's quicker for anybody to talk than it is for anyone to type, especially with all the back and forth switching between the notepad and the actual job that we're trying to show you how to do. Some of the programs that you're going to find on this channel will be things such as open source software programs that would be a free alternative to some potentially more expensive type software. Also, I'll go through some do-it-yourself tips and tricks, some security tips. Some things that we'll cover will include customizing the various versions of Windows and how to back up, and repairing or replacing a dead hard drive, running some basic diagnostics, and just overall how to fix some basic things yourself. So again, thanks for watching, thanks for visiting my channel. If you'd like to learn more from me, please hit that subscribe button down below and the little bell icon to get notified instantly as soon as I put out a new video. Also, feel free to post any comments or questions that you have on any of my videos. I try to respond to every single comment, and I am appreciative of any suggestions that you have for videos that you'd like to see. Hit that subscribe, like button. Thanks again. Hope to see you again in a future video. Alright guys, bye for now.